Well, the thing is, RegTech is an umbrella term, so it kind of captures any technology that can support banking, whether it is AI, blockchain, or just big data analysis. It's very broad, it captures all of that, and of course, in banking you can leverage these technologies to support your day-to-day activities as well. Well, it's tricky. I mean, here we have a lot of expectations about how, for example, AI will help reducing compliance costs as machines can maybe take over some part of the work compared to what humans are doing at the moment. But at the same time, adding these technologies also creates new challenges. There are privacy concerns, algorithmic bias is also a concern, and yeah, oftentimes you still need a human at the end of the line to evaluate whatever a machine has done. So I think that ultimately technology is going to play a supportive role, but we also have to be mindful that we're not too optimistic about going to reduce all of the people involved in this process at the moment. I think blockchain is a very tricky technology. We have seen banks experimenting with that since 2015. And to be honest, it hasn't really gone anywhere since. So I personally don't see the benefit of the technology in a lot of cases. It's very tricky to make it work because it has some inherent challenges. First of all, it's a distributed database, so you always have to work together with others. That's already challenging. You can't do it by yourself. And then it carries a lot of other concerns. For example, the technology tends to be very unscalable. It's not super efficient. So it generally doesn't really work. And the best use cases we have seen coming from blockchain are CBDCs. But ironically, most CBDCs don't even use blockchain. Yeah, I think it's important that people realize that AI itself is a very energy-intensive technology. So it doesn't matter what application you're going to build with it. In the background, you're going to have to put huge models that ultimately will consume a lot of power to operate. And yeah, that fact can contribute to a growing energy footprint to data centers in general, of course, as a result of AI being used. I think it just signals that this is one of the things to be mindful about when we're using AI. There are many concerns with AI. There's concerns about privacy, there's all kinds of ethical concerns. But sustainability is just another dimension to that. We need to be very mindful that if we're going to be using AI, somewhere in the back there's going to be a very big model supporting that and going to consume a lot of energy doing so.